One thing you should know about me is that I buy the same things. I buy the same things over and over and over again. I mean, just to name a couple things here, you notice it's the same weapon light every single time. Even on this, I have one. You know, it's the Olight Balder every single time. You know, when it comes to Bluetooth speakers, the ones I keep on my bike, they're the same. When it comes to the helmets on my bike, you know, they're the same. I got a helmet for each bike, right? When it comes to my headset that I use for my computers, I buy the same ones every single time, right? This is just to name a few things. I didn't want to drag every single thing I got out here, but I do this. This is a recurring theme in my life. I buy the same stuff over and over. I have redundant copies of everything. I even do this with my cameras and my tripods, okay? Which I'm not using right now. I'm not using my tripod today. We're doing a throwback like the way I used to make videos, you know? I know some of you guys missed that. So why do I do it? Why do I own redundant copies of the same thing? Why do I keep doing this? Why do I keep buying the same thing over and over and over again? Because it works, and because there's no learning curve, and because if one breaks, I can go straight to another one. Amateurs think in terms of tactics and equipment, okay? Professionals think in terms of logistics. This is a fact. It's not about the best thing you can get. It's about the best thing you can implement for you and your team. It's about the best technologies and equipment that you and your team knows how to use, knows how to fix, okay? Interchangeable parts, huge. Knowing how to use something, huge. Consistency, huge. It's better to have multiples of the same thing that are relatively good, relatively durable, and that you have real experience with than having some huge collection of all these different things. This is a principle that will change your life. This is a principle used by military, business, everybody, law enforcement agencies, literally everybody in the world that's competent understands this principle. Every leader understands this principle. The difference between a leader and a guy collecting a bunch of random stuff is the logistical thinking, the logistical process of what is our goal. When I look for any given product, no matter what it is, I'm thinking about, can I buy 2 or 3 of these? I'm not thinking about, you know, is this the best product? I'm thinking about, if this goes down, if I lose this, if it gets stolen, whatever, do I have a redundant supply, right? Everything I buy revolves around this principle with a couple exceptions. There's the old saying of beware the man with one gun, for he knows how to use it. I would say beware the man with 10 of the same gun, because he knows how to use it and he can teach others how to use it, and he's probably mastered that platform. Whatever platform you invest in, don't just invest in one unit. Yeah, I don't care if we're what realm we're talking about. If we're talking about technology, if we're talking about weapons, if we're talking about equipment, if we're talking about canoes, invest in a platform. When you buy something, you're not just buying that thing, you're buying the entire platform. This is not going to resonate that much with my younger audience, because my younger audience doesn't have resources at this current stage in their life. But as you get older, once you know what works, buy it over and over again. You don't need to diversify your gear. It's not a stock portfolio, okay? Find what works and then buy it over and over again. If one breaks or gets stolen or gets lost, you still have another one. The parts are interchangeable, there's no learning curve, you're familiar with it, and you can teach all the people under you how to use it. Now, this is not an excuse to get the absolute cheapest garbage possible just so you can have 5 or 6, okay? This is not total quantity over quality. What I am saying is getting something moderately good and then getting another one and having 2 or 3 or 4 of something is better than getting one really, really good thing. And the reason is because even one really, really good thing can fail, it can get lost, it can get misplaced, it can get stolen. You need to buy good stuff that you can afford to buy multiple copies of. You need to get out there and use the stuff to know what's worthy of buying over and over again. But once you get out there and you use stuff and you know what's good and you know what's not good, it's time to go out there and buy some shit. And if ever you find yourself coming into some money and you're sitting around thinking, what should I buy? It's a good time to buy something you already have, to have 2 of them. That's my opinion. Having 2 of something is a good idea, or 3 or 4 or 5 of something. It's worth having one of, it's worth having many of. Guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Jordan Jareb signing off.